Spooky.
I was watching Bobby Kennedy's assassination earlier.
Spooky girl. Yeah, I lived through that. Spooky. 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 Spooky, spooky.
I know one thing I'm glad I haven't had to live through is like, because the 60s had just too many assassinations.
Spooky, spooky. Oh, you know how many attempts that there's been on this president? Spooky.
I haven't seen any on TV.
It doesn't matter. They had a fucking asshole drive all the way from Idaho and he shot at the president's living quarters where the family lives.
I never read about that.
It was early in November. Spooky. Spooky, 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 spooky. What you doing? What are you doing?
This crazy world,
Spooky.
but I really need it from you.
Spooky girl.
Maybe
Spooky, spooky, spooky.
Let's hear this.
Spooky. Spooky. She's saying, rub my belly, please
This
rub
is one
my
of my
belly.
favorite John Lennon songs.
Please rub my belly. Yeah, I stopped. Come on. Beg for me. Let me see you look adorable. There you go. She's going to look adorable. She can say, rub my belly. Rub my belly. Please rub my belly. Rub my belly. Rub my belly.
I want to see a picture of what John Lennon would have looked like at 64. Yeah, this is what John Lennon would have looked like at 64. Hey,